It's a red light. Vehicle almost crashed out. 1050, 1050, 1050, 1050. Alright, vehicle looks like it has a flat left tire. It was 1050 with a concrete barrier. Still going research. Service road southbound. Went up on Lamar. Vehicle. I think vehicle has front left tire or back left tire. Research service road southbound, Georgia. 35 miles an hour, slowing down some good. I have no traffic right now. Service road southbound. Sorry, northbound. Service road northbound. Coming in on 65 miles an hour. No traffic.
I'll take it.
Hey, I got this though. Everyone check yourself real quick.
A lot of fire is going to be westbound. We have shots fired. All officers are okay. We have shots fired, shots taken. Line of fire is westbound. Vehicles taking us.
Put your hands up! Hands! Put your hands up! Step out of the vehicle with your hands up!
What's your 20? Forward research. We're giving commands now.
Hey, he's saying you can't get out. Try climbing out the window!
We're intersection of Lamar and Research Boulevard. Line fire and what's that?
He's coming out. Don't get out, he's defiant.
Driver's not compliant, out of the window.
Climb out of the window! Climb out the window! Climb all the way out! Keep moving, keep moving! Keep climbing out! Keep climbing out!
Message, driver's coming out.
Face away from me!
Hispanic male wearing all black. 790, have you message at the bus stop Lamar 183 for now?
Yes.
Call the driver right now, he's supplied.
Drop the bag. I'm not seeing anyone else.
Somebody debrief that guy. The camera showed that people were having the vehicle. Windows are dark, it's hard to tell who's inside. Just 1 second. We're giving him commands, he's compliant. Driver's on his knees, we'll be staying him in a second.